and the Queen on here.
Yeah, yeah.
Big Daddy's here too.
Cool.
I don't know if he was here yesterday.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, beautiful day. I should have done that.
What?
Get my picture taken.
I got it. I got it in here.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, I got a video.
Oh, good. So, Russ, I think we need to get on the other side of this main drag and then get over there somewhere and get a
Okay.
lift.
Sounds like a plan.
What do you think?
You know?
Get on the other side of the street?
Oh, that's when I was born.
Well, we did it yesterday, and I don't know. No, it's like 650. Russ, you want me to take your picture with her?
Yeah, just hold it. It's on.
On?
Yeah.
All right, got it.
You and Courtney Hanson and
Yeah.
the ride of my life for sure.
Yeah.
They had two cars. One got the big 66.
She's hot. Oh, fuck.
She was here yesterday. And what? I looked up those work.
Really?
You're welcome.
Hi, Shirley.
Hi. Oh, okay.
Hey, Russ, it turned off.
Oh my God. Really? Right.
Lime joints.
Really?
I got 30 minutes till I get to American Auto Wire.
That's interesting. Uh-huh. Interesting. Upstate New York. Yes, sir. Absolutely. That's where I learned how to drive on the
So were you
street.
watching the
so much.
You're welcome.
All done. We can put it on Riverview now. No more fucking exactly. So tired of it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Done? Yeah. Good. All right.
Thanks.
Good job.
They treating you good?
Always.
All right. Thanks again, Shirley.
Oh, sure.
Bye-bye.
Here you go, sweetheart.
Thank you. Thank
You're
you.
welcome.
Yeah. Well, the house. I gotta get the house. If we get the house.
I thought they
Well, I don't know. When we left this 20th.